Do you want more users to download your mobile app? In today's tutorial, we'll teach you how to create this mobile download campaign in just a few steps. So within our Opt-in Monster dashboard, we're going to select Pop-up, and down where you see filters, we're going to select Mobile. We'll choose the report template, and here we'll need to name our pop-up campaign, select the website where we'd like it to load on, and we can start building. Next, within the Opt-in Monster drag and drop builder, we're going to go into our text editor, and here we can share the message that will be our value proposition or our call to action so that our users will download our app. For today's tutorial, we have a fictional water drinking app, and we'll write, "Staying hydrated has never been so easy." And we can change the font sizes on that, and if you like, you can obviously change all the styling. And so we'll finish out our call to action message, and next we're going to delete these name fields because we don't need them, since the purpose of our campaign is to promote downloads and not to generate email leads. So next we're going to drag and drop a yes/no button onto our campaign, and here we'll need to format these yes/no buttons so that they say download for iPhone and for Android, and that's what I'll show you how to do. So for the yes button, we'll need to change the yes text to say download for iPhone, and don't worry about that icon, we're going to change this in just a second. So next we'll want to scroll down, and where you see it says display an icon, we're going to turn that off for now. We'll come back to that in just a little bit. And next we're going to want to scroll up to the hover tab, and we'll check out how the hover looks now. So we're definitely going to want to change that, and we can copy the regular styles. And for the action, we'll want to make sure that this redirects to the URL where the iPhone users can download the mobile app. So this can be an automatic download link, and we're basically going to want to do the same thing for the no button. We're going to format it so it looks exactly like our download for iPhone button, which just takes a few steps. So we'll go to regular styles, the regular tab, and first we'll change the no button text to say download for Android. And next we're just gonna need to make sure that this font matches the same as our iPhone button. So we'll scroll down and increase the font size a little bit, as well as the font weight to 700. And we'll scroll back up and change the background color to match the yes button or the iPhone button background color. And we'll scroll down to border radius and change this to 60 to match our other button. And we also need to change the padding to 20, 12, 20, 12. Finally, we'll just need to change the font color to pure white, and this finalizes our formatting. You can also have fun with it and toggle to display an icon. So for Android, you can display an Android icon. And for our iPhone download button, we can also include an Apple icon. So we'll just click on that, go to the yes button tab, and scroll down to toggle for display an icon. You'll see the right arrow is still there, so we'll just change that to the Apple icon. And you can scroll down and reduce the icon size a little bit. You can also reduce the icon spacing, as well as choose if it's before or after the text. So you have a few different options there. We'll also need to go to the hover tab for our Android button and make sure to copy the regular styles. So we'll go back to the no button tab, click on hover, copy regular styles, and as well for the action, we'll go to the action tab, and here we'll want to make sure to redirect to a URL, and here we'll include the automatic download URL for Android phones. And our design is complete. We'll just need to go to display rules, and here we can choose where we'd like this to show up on our site. So because it's a mobile campaign, we can choose inactive time, maybe 30 seconds, even shorter, 10 seconds, and this will show up on any page. You can also link to this campaign, and we can choose the display rules for that would be if visitor clicked on Monster link, it would then be taken to this download campaign. So that's a really convenient display rule to have as well. For integrations, you don't need to use it because again, we're not going to be generating leads with this, just downloads. And for analytics, we can either use just Opt-in Monster Analytics, which work awesome, or you can also connect to your Google Analytics. And finally, in the Publish tab, after you save, toggle from pause to live, and you can preview your campaign. And this is how it would look on your phone. This is a campaign that's guaranteed to get more mobile downloads for your app. So try it out today and let us know in the comments how it works.